They say now he buy house 270 million. You can't fix bail for 270 million. He can't dip hand inside the pocket. Still pay that money. What do they want? No, let me guess.
Don't point at your hand.
Madam Queen,
your finger
from waiting we don't
point at your finger.
You don't know people when we say that they collect money for back.
Today, not be today, you start to join us on I mean, don't they talk with us on this program? Don't they talk to us from house? At least you go know who me and him, who be the sincere person. At least they see us in person now.
I make an answer like this because as they hot na my program, and 12 na my brother. You they talk true.
Thank you.
They talk true.
But in truth,
wetin we dey try talk now be say since now we don't really prepare say we wan fight corruption.
Thank you very much.
Make we put 30 years in prison first. If e no work, we go come talk say okay make we dey kill them. But at least make we put that 30 years because if dem die go na only their family go dey bear the
But they go
shame.
still need to collect those things from there even before they
No, when they wan put them for prison, they go collect everything for them.
Even go ahead, kill.
See, like you talk before, you say that they give some people VIP chair for prison. Now, person wey still get money for bank wey they bring for am, na they go give VIP chair.
Thank you.
If we collect everything for your hand, you no see money sort people out for prison. They not go give am VIP, go chop beans wey get stone.
Thank you very much.
Na so it be.
Madam Queen, this one wey you talk now enter.
You don't agree, say wetin you dey talk, dey correct.
No. Now her own na they take. I know they take
She
your own.
come from my angle.
Why she go come from your angle? Now her own na they take.
You are just jealous.
Jealous of what? Go abeg enter the next issue.
Okay, Madam Queen, that one na another story wey we say we go discuss another day. Based on the 100 days wey we dey do now, make we come check now. You now, we just carry you come as okay o. Person wey be say Nigerian wey don look am from your own angle. We carry person wey look am from the eye of woman because everything wey she dey do na about women. And she even carry bring back our girls for her shoulder. We carry person wey talk say okay, him be professional, him dey deal with statistics. Him own na say okay, make we check how Oga Presido don do, no be just ordinary talk. We carry person wey be say him dey for house, him dey involved in lawmaking for this country. Now we don bring you now. We just the eye wey dey carry look you now na okay as Nigerian now. When we say you know where the thing dey pepper for shoe and everything,
So.
make you use your own mouth talk am. The first 100 days of this government of President Muhammadu Buhari, wetin you reason the government?
I go comot glass for this one so that dem go dey look my face well. First 100 days. Well, during the campaign, APC make a lot of promises. And Nigeria na one place wey be say if you don't make promises to them,
Then they hold am
tight. And they know they understand say everything gets staged
Stages.
by stage. They want as immediately Buhari just enter bra. Make you begin give them the 5,000.
Now the promise when they promise, now it cause am. Were you not the one
Make
who
you
promised
begin
it?
give them the food, the 1 meal a day. We agree say dem go do all those ones because I believe say President Muhammadu Buhari na sincere man as everybody take talk am. Me sef go join say na so e be until he prove otherwise. I believe say he go do all these things. But that first 100 days, maybe in they take am. Make I put am like this. You know say na the first time wey APC go dey federal government be this. Now, whether they like it or not, they hear me, then they learn work. You know if you compare them to people wey don rule us for 16 years, where they hand over to each other, where they teach each other work. You know say as dem dey so, they no go gree make PDP teach them because then they another party. So they go got to learn am on their own. Maybe na make am dey take time. But I believe say when they don settle down, sit down, e go better because if we keep on dey say they no do well, they no go do well, they no go do well, we dey pray prayer be that. If you can't turn out say they no go do well, Nigeria na the only thing wey me get, na you get. So wetin we go just dey do na to say then go do well, then go do well, make God help them. So for me, I go say make Nigeria get patience more. Make we no judge them quick. You understand? Because I believe say everything go still work out fine.
Place, yes.
You understand? So, but as they judge them, it's still good. Because if they no judge them,
They go there too comfortable.
they go go relax. So make them no relax. Make them no say if the people they judge us for first 100 days, the next 100 days you don't go funny so they go sit down where. You know, work where they no want do on time, they go start to do am. So it's good as in they judge them, but make them take them easy.
Madam Queen, I'm happy as we carry the office of First Lady of Asidi Earth give you. Because the way when you dey, I mean, I tell you, Kubi, after me and I get meeting, say, if we won't give person this position, I know some other names when he mention. But me, now me still insist, say, Madam Queen, from the based on my experience, military background and the rest of them.
When me and you agree this one?
If you won't call my name with respect.
When me and you...
No, they call my name, they bounce. I know they close one eye, give me, because I know they fear you.
Chukudi, you don't bounce again. When me and you talk this one, Now, me and you collectively agree, say, oh, Madam Queen, I mean, she dey represent, she dey talk.
Who be the
And for
person
that
wey
reason-
table the talk first?
No table, now, me, as a matter of fact, I mean table am. No, they even call the claim wetin you no do. Who no table waiting?
Madam Queen, you know the person when we say when we dey talk about Nigerian women, you know they support them.
That is not a criteria, Madam Queen.
It's-
That is not a criteria.
I go talk this one. The time una give me this title, una never talk of Nigerian women. So I believe say na two of una join hand
Thank you
give me
very much.
the title because na
Thank
some
you
days
very,
ago
very
una
much.
talk of women. I watch am, I call that day, call no enter.
Madam Queen, you dey
Madam Queen,
you dey support. I don't know.
I no I don tell una say this hot seat I need to support here. If I no talk in own small, if you give me question wey I no go fit answer, I go disgrace myself on national television. No good now.
Madam Queen, we know say yes. Apart from the fact say you like politics well, and you dey also represent the women wey dey there. You dey talk. We know say you get also your own pet project wey you dey run. Wey be say na also project wey dey favour at least somehow. Some of these things na things wey we say we suppose dey expect make government address. But individuals dey come dey say no, make I take am make I take am upon myself to say make I help these people. Tell us about your small this thing.
Before I go talk my foundation, you say I like politics. Well, the reason wey make me begin chook eye for Nigerian politics, I no be card carry member of any party.
Okay.
I'm just an activist. And the fact say I be actress, I be filmmaker, I get a lot of fans wey believe in me. So I can't talk say everybody no go just keep quiet, make Nigeria spoil.
Yes.
No matter wetin happen, no matter the small thing wey we dey contribute, government go dey hear am as well. Na im make me begin chook eye for where politics dey. You understand? It take concern all of us for Nigeria. Well, for my pet project, Queen Blessing Foundation don dey on for more than 10 years. But I register am for 2011. You know, at least make government dey aware say I dey do this kind thing. So, but wetin we dey do mostly na widows and the physically challenged children.
Okay.
So 14th of February every year, we dey do program for widows. The first one wey we do na Edo State, as per say na my state. You know, we take care of 500 widows that day. Then play music for them, then have fun and all that. The second one wey we do na Lagos State, because Lagos too na my state. And we do am for Ikorodu. For that program, we give 200 women wrapper, 6 yard each, and then we give 11 of them 10,000 each, and then we give 6 of them sewing machine. Now, the reason why I decide to look widow's side, now because of say, no woman go sit down, make hungry, they beat him pikin. So I believe say, if we dey empower our women, then go they take care of their own children. And then for the physically challenged kids, as an actress, wetin I dey do every 14th of April na my birthday. I dey go any orphanage of my choice with my colleagues, because most of these orphans, they know they see people where they play with them. We go there, play with them for some hours. Every gift where you suppose give me, you go bring them for those children. Then we go give them. Then me too go there, collect their list, anything where they need. I go buy them for them. You know, they go cut my cake and all that. No matter where I dey, 14th of April every year, I must celebrate with the physically challenged. So, but wetin make me begin do this foundation now because of say, I know how it be, make person not get. You understand? So some Nigerians go, they look me, say, she get money. I no get money.
Madam Queen, we go just hold the talk. We get Oga Cyril. He dey call us all the way from Port Harcourt. I dey sure say one chook mouth for this matter. Oga Cyril, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Cyril.
Chukwudi and Nkubi and Madam Queenie.
Good morning.
I do well as I bring them. At least today we don't see his face. So we greet you well, Madam Queen.
Good morning.
So quickly, we were talking about corruption. We need to ask ourselves, wetin they make people, they do those things where then they do. If we no understand wetin they motivate them, we no go feel stop them. I will give 4 reasons when, for my mind, they make people wait and they do all those things. 1, say they no want they poor again. 2, say then they thief for their children and their children's children. Now make way person go thief 1 billion, thief 2, thief 3, thief 4. Money where you no go fit spend all in lifetime. They do it because of his children and children. 3, say he want become big man, make them know say he be big man. He not be small person anymore. And 4, say the person no get scruples at all. These are the 4 reasons why me I see. Say they make people wait and they do all these things where they do. So if we want do anything, we go stop this thing called corruption. We go look at these things, and that thing we want to do must address these things. If they can no address the root causes, we will see, say, it will be like, say, when they carry water pour for the fowl back. When it's shut, the water don't come out, you don't go touch them for
Very true. Oga Cyril, thank you very, very much. As you take highlight all the problems, can't even provide solution. Oga Cyril no even go the angle of, say, capital punishment or say imprisonment. What he just talk now, basically say, if we fit trace the problem to the root cause, we go fit reduce them for our society. Make we collect Oga Igo all the way from Abuja. Oga Igo, good morning and welcome to our City Hot.
Oga Shukude, I greet you. Good morning.
We greet you, Oga Igo.
The Queen of Azobia, I greet you.
Good morning.
The controversial could be when I pull like woman before. It's when the day where they will as they all start. Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Igo.
Onto the issue of today about capital punishment. To me, if me, I'm the president of Nigeria, me, na capital punishment, na me, I go agree on. Because make the use just one person, I just need only one person set example for stealing money for Nigeria. Say, as you steal money, they send that to death. Other people take dressing. I don't see how say for Nigeria now to say now hot king we need. We need somebody hot like Buhari. So if they say like the lady say you can go say you go seize on the phone. Many of them open more than 500 accounts when you say you cannot monitor all their accounts. If you block this one, they go use this one. Some of their money not there for a bank, some of their money there for their house. So they carry the money from us, you go no. To me, I support capital punishment to anybody in Nigeria money.
Thank you very, very much. You don't make very important statements. Quickly, we go rush, enter break. When we go, come back, we'll continue our discussion of all the things that happened this week, the news story when they carry first for news now, and also about the first lady of Aside Hot, Madam Queen, and the small work when she did in her own little way to use move our country forward. When they come back now, still as Aside Hot.
For latest yarn and tori from your Sempe programs where they on top Wazobia TV, waka enter Facebook www.facebook.com/Wazobia TV.
La catedral più dalla rito va dentro per la lita metalito rossetto patate.
What's wrong with you? Don't call it tailor, call it a designer.
Okay, I know yeah. Jangalova. If na no say na just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.